So this is unboxing of my leather toolkit that I ordered on eBay, and I guess it's not much of an unboxing since I already opened the box, but thought I'd show you guys what came in it. This is about $39, free shipment, and I think there's about 36 different types of tools for leather working. I've already opened it, but I thought I'd share with you guys what I got. This looks like a skiver, and it's got a double-edged blade, and I think that's what it is. But I tried skiving the leather that came with it, because it actually came with a piece of leather right here. I guess it's to practice on, and it's kind of nice and stretchy. And yeah, there's the velour side. It's got wax threads. Oh, actually, yeah, 4 different types. A small plexi, it's plastic cutting board. The skiver, and I guess these are for the glue. So if you're gonna be gluing stuff, I actually bought some glue that I'll mention later on. It's not really the best, but there's a, looks like an emery board, and it looks like it's about an 80 grit and maybe a 120. Didn't come with any instructions that I saw anyway. Yeah, there are no instructions. So okay, I guess I didn't see that one. This looks like a hole punch. Guess it came with the other ones, so there's a whole bunch of them. There's 1, 2, 4. There's about 9 of them. 9 different size hole punch. I got a knife. It's actually pretty handy. It's flat on this side. It's actually chipped. I don't know if I did that, but yeah, maybe I did, but maybe I didn't. But it is actually pretty sharp. It cuts leather, and it actually, if you're skiving, it actually I'm more comfortable with this than the other one. And handy dandy mallet. This thing screws on. They're kind of loose. I guess you just screw it back in. Not a big deal. I don't know what this is called, but I guess it's for marking. Let's see. And this looks like somebody would use to get their manicure or pedicure. But I don't know what it is. I've seen this used where they actually poke the leather and see how much it stretches. I think that's what it's for. I like this one right here. These are, if you're gonna hand stitch, kind of tough to open the Ziploc bag. So you got one. So you have 1 pointy one, 2, 4, and then looks like 6. 2, 4, 6. This will be come in handy. There's another one here. It's just a, I guess it's a sharp needle. I guess it's like an awl. I already have an awl. This one's for making little channels. See? That'll come in pretty handy. Doing welding. I'm trying to figure out what these are. I guess you use it on this. Not too sure. And then another hole punch. Then don't know what that is either. Also came with this. Didn't come with those nails. I already used those, but I guess this is sort of like a ruler. But there's also a metal ruler. That's both. It's just in centimeters. Yeah. So circles, angles. Oh, it's a cutting mat. Okay. And these are the other stuff that came with it. Oh, needles. Oh, I didn't know they came with needles. I ended up buying needles at a place. Oh, this is awesome. Double shallow for hand stitching. And then a couple of doodads here. They look like pygmy condoms or finger cots. I guess they would be finger cots. And I got some oh, that's those rivets. I guess it's more rivets. And for a key holder wallet, old school. Alright, so that's the unboxing of that.